Yeah, I'ma be a legend forever and never. You know, I done seen shit that's frightening. You're broke, they gon' pay for your janaza with cases of whitening. All you niggas need tightening. Your mouth's too loose on the gram. 95, I came to you with the grams. It ain't no telling what I do to a man because of overusage of Zans. Life upstate due to the Rams. Last year, front row. Eagles and Rams. Another dead man walking, I go Seagull again. I'm selling Knicks out the Regal again. The feds taking flicks again. I think they know I'm in the mix again. Helping people get they fix again. Causing fires, rubbing sticks again. No lacking. We want Willie Lynch again. Damn, why they always try to censor him? Fuckers.